video was initially supposed to be like a week in my life entrepreneur type vlog. I was gonna take y'all along with me, just doing whatever I do. But I got a little busy and it just didn't happen this week. Okay. So in this video, we just gonna be fulfilling a couple orders and I'm gonna be chatting a little bit with y'all. I just want to make a quick little intro. I'm literally filming the intro and outro on the same day. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on. And let's go ahead and start working. So I have one 8-ounce jar to fill, scented with oils, as y'all can see. Already did it. I just got finished making the gloss. This has to be my best seller for 8-ounce jars right now. Like, this is the most bought. This is Millionaire. Like I said, it is scented with oil, so y'all see the consistency. Very smooth. It is vanilla scented. We only have 2 options available. 2. That's it. Just 2. Scented with oils and unscented, no oils. That's it. No other options. And they are both always available on the site. Swatches are available as well. Let's see that consistency. Okay. Perfect. Like, I really created the perfect formula. So this is Millionaire. Vegan, cruelty free, scented, infused with oils, super smooth, non-sticky, long lasting. So now that that is done, I have to put the tops on and get that ready. And that is just 20 squeeze tubes, clear top squeeze tubes. She ordered all Billionaire, which is another one of our new glosses. Squeeze tube wholesale is always available. I do have to restock my wand tubes. My black ones have been out of stock for a while now. They'll be back soon, don't worry.
Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds. Stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine.
Okay, so I probably got back in the house about 10 minutes ago and I had to go to the store and get some more sugar. Literally running out of time, so I just got this small thing. When I go grocery shopping next week, I'm gonna see if they have the 25-pound bag, so I just decided to get a small one. She ordered 20 lip scrubs, 10 of each, cherry and birthday cake. I'm praying that this is enough because I'm running out of time and I do not feel like making any more. The post office closes at 5. It's like 3:20 something right now. so I gotta hurry up. When I had went to the store, I just let those dry. So after I'm done with this, I'm gonna put the tops on and just pack everything up, and then I'll be ready to go drop these off. Then I am done with orders for the week. I think I do have one more order to get done, but she ordered last night. She ordered around like 12 a.m. 1 or 12 a.m. So her order will go out next week. It's crazy how my life has changed so much, y'all. Like, I was busy before, but now I'm busier than ever. Like, I just gotta make sure that stuff is getting taken care of. When you move, you literally have way more responsibilities, way more to take care of, and yeah, that's basically what it's been like. Just me having way more to do, way more responsibilities. And one thing about me, I'ma always make sure I'm good. And that's why last week I literally only uploaded once. Y'all know my schedule is really Tuesday and Thursday, but I was only able to upload once because I've been so busy just doing other stuff. Just trying to get my life together. So I didn't have time to like really film or anything. But I'll talk about that at another time. I just have to remember that this is a part of my journey and everyone's journey is different.
I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need. Yeah, you know.
We are done here. Squeeze through Wholesale is available. 8-ounce jars available, and lip scrub Wholesale is available. So I'm about to go ahead and pack these up off camera. $3.55. I got this, okay? I got this. I'm gonna be out the house by 4:30. I got this. We gonna make it. These orders getting shipped off today. Just wanted to show y'all the time. It's 4:27. Your girl is out the house. I got the orders right here. A couple days later, and I'm about to get these 2 orders ready to go so I can ship them off today. So the first order that I'm working on right now is unscented no oils gloss jar, and she actually purchased a glitter gloss. I already know how I feel about my glitter glosses, so I'm very excited about this. This is actually a returning customer. She ordered probably like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and she ordered 3 8-ounce jars. Simplicity, for Keeps, and Sunkissed that time. So this time she ordered 1 jar. So happy to see more returning customers. And then I still have to do the 1-2 order I told you guys about the other day. Still gotta do that. And then I'm gonna drop these off today. Do y'all ever just feel like y'all don't want to go outside? Like, that's how I'm feeling right now. Like, I do not feel like going outside. I don't feel like doing anything. I just want to lay in my bed and read my books and watch Netflix and YouTube and stuff like that. I just want to chill. But I have stuff that I have to take care of, so I can't just chill. Oh my gosh. So this gloss right here is Gold Digger, Goal Digger. So pretty. It's a nice golden color. And this is how the gloss looks. So once again, it is unscented, no oils. So she'll add her oils and scents once she receives it, and then she can start filling. This gloss is available for wholesale. There are samples available, and it's also available for retail. Very pretty. We have lots of different glosses, not just pigmented nudes. Everything is available on the site. Sha'Nayasbeautybar.com. These are the colors that she got: Millionaire, Dream Chaser, Obsessed, Go Getter, and Wealthy. and back in the house. Now I gotta finish editing this video. I just have to edit the clips that I filmed today. But before I do that, oh, what's going on? I have to email the people from Afterpay back because your girl needs her money. So I started using Afterpay as another payment option. I always feel like it's good to have multiple. So now I have Sezzle and Afterpay on my website. So I started using it a couple weeks ago, and a couple of my customers have been using Afterpay to check out. I had registered, I did everything through Wix. So I never officially made an account. So now, since I don't have an account, I'm not able to log in and like set up my bank information. So I still have yet to get my money, and I need that, okay? I work hard for my money, so I need to email them around 7 a.m. and they responded around 2, but I've been busy working, so I'm about to email them now, and they probably won't answer until tomorrow. But as long as they answer as soon as possible, because I want my money, and I just want to, like, you know, have everything set up so that I won't have this problem in the future, because the folks have been using Afterpay. So that's what I have to do. We having some money issues right now, but we gonna get it figured out. After I email them back, they should be able to get everything situated, and I should be able to receive my funds. But this video was definitely supposed to be like a vlog, a week in my life as an entrepreneur. But yeah, life just got to me, so got a little busy. That's why I'm behind on uploading. I'm just behind, okay? I'm just very behind. Bear with me. I think that's gonna be it though for this vlog. I have one more order to do, but I'm gonna just put that in the next video. She ordered lip scrubs and Sweet Soup Wholesale, so y'all will see that next week. So yeah, nonetheless, I hope that you guys, what is wrong with my internet? Come on now. Now we have internet issues. It's working on my phone. What's going on? But anyways, I hope that you all enjoyed the video. I don't know what's going on. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on if they are not on. And if you would like to shop, shanayaoshea.com. The link is down below. You can click that, and it'll take you directly to my website. And yeah, thank you all for watching. I will see y'all in the next video.